gang.
Achijaribu itudo kod kuo mag gige geche ne onegi e gwenge mag Dhunguri kaunti ma Kiambu. Kaluwore kod komanda mar obila ma Kiambu Paminas Kioko, jokuoge 4 nomonjo dala moro kama ne gitemo kwelo. Kata kamano achiel kuom jodago ma nigi lesen mar bunde ne orakore kodgi kendo achiel 2 kuom gi magina kare mamoko to ringo gi hinyruok mar lisasi. Obila wacho ni gin akicha mar rakore gi Jonjore ahinya makwalo gi geche e gwenge ma Limuru, Kiambu kod Thika.
Siku ya leo tumefurahia juu serikali ilituitika, wakasikia mwito wetu haraka sana na wakakuja na kuamkia tukakuta wameua hata 2. Tulifurahia sana.
Wote wanabeba chenye huwezi fikiria kwa sababu kama gari kama hii imewekwa kwa parking yenye iko secured, lakini wenyewe huwa wanaweza kuvuka kwa walls. Sasa ni lazima kama wewe ni mwenyewe umenunua kitu huwe unarara nje.
Them started fundraising in this vehicle, and 2 of them stood by only in those weapons which they were threatening the members of public who stay in within this building. In between, it happened that one of the occupants of the house is a licensed firearm holder. When he saw them and they asked them what they are doing, they became very rude, and they started advancing to where he was. So using his firearm, he struggled with them, and the 2 of them have been fatally killed, while 2 have escaped to other areas. And we believe they have also escaped with injuries.